All right, take a look at this 20. It's a 20-foot flying cloud. Normally this window is not there because there's a closet there. They added a window. The dinette's been changed. And they put twin beds in the front. Remove the closet. And then it's got a overhead locker.
Oh, there's a lot of lockers.
A lot of lockers all the way around. But then here's the 20 kitchen with the big wraparound counter.
Oh, and there's
They added a microwave up top,
the counter.
and this looks like it might be an oven for storage. Oh, it's more storage.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
And then the bathroom, still pretty standard. This little clothes hanging rack here. But this is wild seeing the 20.
It's a little short.
Yeah,
I
so
don't think you could lay down here.
my wife is 5'3",
Okay.
5'3", and she's
It's
at the end of
about
it.
5'3".
This is maybe 5'6",
Yeah, it's about 4 inches longer.
but this is neat. There used to be the wardrobe closet here, and now there's a window there.
Yeah, and just a ton of storage.
I've just never seen anybody do this. This is wild.
What a conversion.
Very interesting.